Hey, what's up? It's Daniel P. Robertson here, and in this video we are going to talk about the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing. And that's even if you don't really have any solid skills yet, because it does take skills to succeed with affiliate marketing, but we're going to show you how to learn those skills in this video and how to earn while you're developing those skills so you don't have to learn all the skills in order to start seeing results. So let's go ahead and dive into it here today. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Again, this is Daniel P. Robertson, and on this channel we learn how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn that, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. So, and again, in this video, we're talking about the best way to get started with affiliate marketing. I want to start out just by kind of going through some of the skills that you need to learn in order to get results with affiliate marketing. And then we're going to go into, from there, we're going to go into how to level those skills up, but then we're going to go into how to get results before you've really developed those skills, so you can earn while you learn. So the first skill that you want to learn to get results with affiliate marketing is you need to learn how to generate targeted traffic. So when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're going to pick a niche market that's going to be the people you're marketing to, and it's going to be people who have a common problem and they're all looking for a solution to their problem, and your solution is the affiliate product that you're offering. So you're looking to generate targeted traffic. You're going to attract this targeted traffic to your affiliate link so that when people buy through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission, right? It's pretty simple, right? You need targeted people who actually are interested in what you're offering in order to kind of build a business online. You can't build that affiliate business without any people. So the skill of getting traffic to your website, to your affiliate link, is an important skill to master. And there's many different ways to do this. You can do paid ads with Facebook, paid ads with like YouTube or Google or Bing, or paid ads with, there's different platforms out there you can do paid advertising on. Solo ads is one that I don't really like, but people use it. So there's lots of different ways to get traffic. There's also paid traffic. There's also ways to get free organic traffic. That would be things like Google search engine optimization, SEO, where maybe you're writing a blog, and so you have these blog posts, and you're using search engine optimization to target certain keywords and attract those people who are searching for those keywords to your blog in order to get them over to your affiliate link, right? Another way would be, say, blogging, but instead of doing search engine optimization, maybe you're focusing on something like guest posting. You're writing guest posts for other blogs in order to get some of those people from those other blogs over to your blog and then over to your affiliate link, right? So it's a way of promoting your content, your website, by writing guest content for other websites. There's all kinds of other ways. There's YouTube, so you can do YouTube search engine optimization. So you're learning what people are searching for on YouTube and then creating videos on YouTube that target those search terms. And that's what I'm doing here with these videos, with my channel. So these are different methods that you can use to get traffic. There's more. There's Pinterest, there's Instagram, there's Quora, there's Medium, there's LinkedIn. So there's a lot of different ways to get traffic to your site. So what you want to do is you want to pick one primary traffic source when you're starting out and focus on mastering and learning and getting really good at that one traffic source. For example, if you're going to be doing YouTube, then go and take some time to study YouTube, take some time to learn about the YouTube algorithm, take some time to learn about YouTube search engine optimization, learn about how to create engaging videos that people actually want to watch, and then go and start creating videos. Don't take too much time to research, because most of the learning doesn't come from research. Most of the learning comes from taking action and creating videos or blog posts or whatever it is you're focusing on. So running with YouTube as the example, learn YouTube, study it just enough to learn the basics, and then go and start practicing, start implementing, start experimenting, create video after video after video, create 100 videos, and then pretty soon you'll start to get pretty good at YouTube, right? And so keep doing that, keep mastering that one traffic source. And that's how you level up that first skill, a traffic source skill. Now let's move on to the next skill. The second skill that you want to learn to master is learning how to convert traffic into leads, right? Because if you're not getting leads from your traffic, you're wasting most of your traffic. If you're just getting traffic and then you're sending them directly to your affiliate link, most people are not going to buy. Most people are going to click away from your website, and they'll either never check out the affiliate link, or they'll check out the affiliate link, but then they won't buy. So what you want to do is, people like to buy from people they feel like they know, like, and trust. And plus, you want to be able to follow up with these people to have more opportunities to recommend products and services to them that you can earn a commission on. So you need leads. You need to build an email list to do that. The way to build an email list is to learn how to convert traffic into leads. And there's several different skills that are involved with this. One skill would be learning how to create an irresistible offer. In order to get leads, you need something called a lead magnet, or a freebie, or sometimes it's called an ethical bribe. It's a free thing that you give away in exchange for their email address. So you're going to give away something like a free video, a free training, a free, series, a free checklist, or something like that, a free something, in order to entice them into giving you their email address. So you want to learn how to create an irresistible offer that is going to be this lead magnet that you create, that you offer to your audience. But in order to offer this lead magnet, you need a way to offer it to them. You need what's called a squeeze page. A squeeze page is simply a page that has like a headline, maybe some bullet points, or maybe a video, and then it has a form where they can enter their email address, and then a button where they can submit to send their email address onto your list. And then after they submit it, then you deliver the lead magnet. You deliver the irresistible offer that you created. So you need to learn how to create a squeeze page that converts. And this involves copywriting and some things with like different tools to set up the squeeze page. So like there's lots of tools out there to make setting up squeeze pages easy. You don't have to really learn coding to do it. So there are tools that make this easy, but really you want to learn copywriting and like split testing, and there's different skills to learn how to make your squeeze page convert traffic into leads. That's the second skill. So now the third skill that you got to learn to master is the art of following up with those leads, which is where you're going to send out emails to your email list that'll build the relationship, that'll add value, and that will promote products. So following up is a key skill, learning how to write those emails, structure those emails, send out those emails, and do it properly and in a way that's going to build trust, that's going to build, it's going to want to pre-frame the offers in a way that they're going to want to buy the offer, right? They're going to want to purchase the offer because of how you word it, right? You send an email that says, hey, here's this really great thing here that, it can teach you X, Y, Z. You go check it out, right? You want to know how to frame that offer up in a way that is going to be effective. And that is the third skill, that is converting leads into buyers and following up with them, things like that. That's the third skill. Those are probably three of the most critical skills. You got to learn how to get traffic. You got to learn how to convert traffic into leads, and then you got to learn how to convert leads into buyers, into customers. Those are the three critical skills, and there's a lot of other skills that are involved with those three big skills. So the easiest way, the best way to get started with affiliate marketing is to not try to learn all of these skills at once, because you're going to be overwhelmed and you're probably going to want to give up because you're not going to be getting results at first, and it's going to be frustrating for you. So the best way to get started is to have a done for you system where 90% of the work is done for you already, where the squeeze page is already created and it's designed to convert, where the lead magnet has already been created, and then you have the system that's going to deliver the lead magnet for you. It's already been created. You don't have to create it. You don't have to figure out what people are going to want to give their email address away for you. It's already been done for you. And then it also has emails set up as the follow-up in order to convert leads into customers. And all you got to do is you've got to plug your affiliate link into those emails, right? So a done-for-you system is the easiest way to get started. That way, you can focus on the traffic, getting traffic over to your squeeze page, and then that's it. Like that's what you focus on at first. You focus on learning how to get traffic to the squeeze page. The squeeze page is already set up to convert. The sales funnel, the after they sign up, the sequence that they follow after they sign up, that's already done for you. That's already set up for you so that you can get the best results even as a beginner just by learning how to get targeted traffic to that squeeze page. Everything else after that point is set up for you. Does this make sense? This is what will allow you to earn while you learn. So then you can learn to upgrade those skills. You can learn how to create the squeeze pages after you've started getting results just by getting the traffic to the squeeze page that's done for you, right? You can learn how to start creating your own offers, learn how to start putting together your own sales funnels, your own follow-up sequences. But getting started by having something set up for you is the easiest way. And so go down below this video in the description, there's a link where you can get my exact sales funnel and my exact system that's going to set this all up for you, the same one that I'm using. So click below if you're interested in that, check it out. And if you got value out of this video, share it with somebody, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.